Welcome back to the channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Definitely would love to watch out for it. So we would look at GBP JPY for this week. So let's start with the full trend, right? Let's see this support level here. We can see that there is actually a major support level here where price has come to tap this level multiple times. Then we had a rejection, and this is the resistance level. So in the long run, GBPJPY will surely hit this resistance level, or whatever you may want to call it, in the long run, probably in 3 4 months time. I think this movement is majorly for like position traders or the swing traders for the long time. So let's say in 3 months time we will be able to hit this support level. So we want to know where this market will be moving for this week. So this week we expect GBP JPY to actually close bullish, at least take out a new highs. A new highs needs to be formed. So we should actually close at a level of 164. So currently we are trading at 166. 162, sorry, we are trading at 162. So by the time the week will end, we should actually be trading at 164. That should be giving us about 100 plus pips. Let's see if we can grab about 150 pips to 200 pips this week. So that is what we should be watching out for this week. GBP JPY, we should actually aim to grab about 150 to 200 pips bullish move. So we can see that there's a correction that has come to tap this our 10 period simple moving average. So we are expecting a rejection, thereby GBP to JPY needs to actually go bullish. So we should watch out for such movements. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So when you take a look at the trend itself, you clearly can see that this is simply an uptrend move. So we will continue this movement for a long time. These highs have to be taken out. So this week, guys, more uptrend move will be playing out on GBPJPY. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in my Patreon chat for my Patreon channel so you can become one of our subscribers, right? What we intend to do in this channel is actually put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade. And so far, it has been successful. 3 weeks ago, we had a very successful trade. 2 weeks ago, we also had a successful trade. So last week, we also had a successful trade. So these are the trades we had. We can see Nasdaq 100 for the 24th. We actually got to the level. GBP New Zealand dollar, we got to the level. We actually sold on gold. We actually got to the level. So basically, on this trend, we also sold on the succeed Nasdaq 100. We actually sold for the week, which is for the 2021. We actually got to the target. You can see USD Chinese yuan. So I've actually created a playlist. I'm going to put a link to the playlist in the comment section also, so you can watch it. February 20 to 24. These are all the trade we actually took for the week. See, it's 9 trade, and almost everything actually got to our target. So we had about 85% win rates on this, right? And the win, we actually a big win, right? So basically, almost all our trade were actually successful. So if in case you're actually having trouble in growing your account, or you are blowing your account, sign up to our Patreon channel. Just give it a month trial, just a month. So if at the end of the month we don't give you the value, or you don't get what we promise you, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Like I said, a month, right? Just give it a try. I'm going to give you a better setup. And we have actually put out a trade that we will be watching out for Monday. And one of those trades is CAD Swiss franc. If you check the channel, you see it. So more setup is going to be playing out. Once more setup plays out, I'm going to put it in this channel so we can trade it together. So sign up. The link will be in the comment section.